Hi there, let's install your Aura Air. First, let's talk about where to place your Aura Air. Aura Air should be placed at least 20 inches from the floor or ceiling. Aura Air should be at a radius of at least 20 inches from surrounding objects. We want to ensure a clear airway for maximum purification. Your Aura Air will need to be plugged into an electrical outlet, so make sure it's at a distance of no more than 78 inches. Lastly, ensure Wi-Fi is in range. This would be a great time to download the app. Head over to your app store and search Aura Air. The app will provide you personalized air quality insights and recommendations based on your location and health necessities. Don't miss out. Now that you've bragged to all your neighbors about your new Aura Air device, let's hang that stunner. Step 1. Smart Jig. Use the Smart Jig to help plan where you want to place your Aura Air. Then, drill 3 holes in the marked areas. Step 2. Preparations. Remove the device cover with the ray filter and connect the DC adapter to the back of your Aura Air. Step 3. Mount Aura. Mount the base using the screws and washers provided in the package. Step 4. Plug and pair. Close the device cover and plug your Aura Air into an electrical outlet. The pairing process will require the app. Good thing you've already downloaded it. 1. Begin pairing by confirming your Aura Air is blinking green. 2. If the device is not blinking green, click the Setup button for 4 seconds to enter listening mode. 3. Go to your Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone and connect to Aura on your network list. 4. Return to the Aura Air app and click Connect. And now, enjoy your fresh air. We'll take care of the rest.